Project Timeline Tracker, Gantt Chart Template. Welcome to this tutorial. I'll demonstrate how to use the Project Timeline Tracker quickly and intuitively. 1. Initial setup. Head to Settings to input your task list. This template supports up to 12 project phases. 2. Defining the project. Input the start and end dates of the project. The system will automatically calculate the other dates. The dates you enter within each start and end phase will be calculated. The smallest date in the start column and the largest date in the end column. 3. Managing phases and tasks. Click the plus button to access different project phases. Enter tasks associated with each phase. Upon completing a task, check the corresponding box. The task will be marked as complete and the completion percentage will be updated. 4. Filtering by date or phase. By default, the calendar will display today's date. Double-click the cell to filter by a specific date and choose the date from the calendar. If you prefer filtering by phase, uncheck the date option and the phase option will be automatically selected. Choose the desired phase and add weeks as needed. 5. Tracking progress. The In Progress bar displays the completion percentage of phases, not individual tasks. Each phase represents the progress of associated tasks. 6. Conclusion. The tutorial has come to an end. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, we're here to help. We appreciate your feedback for future improvements.